All right, good evening, guys. Welcome to Forex Talk Over here. This is a brand new show. We are October 29, just before Halloween, and we had an amazing week. So, welcome for the new people here. The concept of the show is pretty simple. We're gonna have a little drink with you. So, we're gonna enjoy a nice drink, a beer that you guys choose on Instagram just before the show. So, make sure you got a drink with you. If you don't have a drink, run to the kitchen, grab a drink, a cup of wine. What am I saying? Glass of wine. It can be juice because maybe it's the morning at your place. Maybe you're watching the replay also. So whatever you guys having, let's have a drink all together. Let's talk forex. Get your question ready. We're gonna go over Q&As. Plus, I'm gonna break down trades that we took this week. But first thing first, let's break up. Well, let's open up the beer. So the beer I'm gonna be drinking tonight with you guys, it's from Dominion City, which is a nice microbrewery in Ontario. It's called Forest Echo. It's a double IPA, 8%. So let's have this and let's crack it up. All right. And let's pour this baby here. Let's go. All right. It smells really good. Woo! Oh, this was borderline. Oh, it spilled a little bit. Sorry, guys. Okay. So get ready. We're going to do our official cheers. So basically what I want you guys to do is get your camera ready. We're going to do a cheers. I want you to snap a picture, tag my name on it, post it on Instagram, and I will share it. Hey, don't judge. Let's see here. Wait, where I lost the question here. Okay. Hey, don't judge. Don't judge people if they drink their wine from a glass box, high heel shoe. We don't discriminate here. Exactly. Hey guys, all right, so let's get ready for the official cheers. You guys ready? In 3, 2, 1. Cheers, guys. All right. Oh, this is really good. This is going to be a 4.25 for sure. Oh, wow. Amazing. All right, so get your question ready, guys. This is going to be a short episode. I'm telling you, it's going to be short. We got some people at home. We just ordered some Chinese food, and I am starving. What's up, Rages? What's up? What's up, buddy? All right, so early today, actually, yeah, for the first time in a while, I'm actually on time. So, which is kind of a surprise for a lot of people. Yeah, it is what it is. But yeah, and the reason is I got some people at home, so I need to get done pretty fast. Hi, bro. Love the hat. Where can I get one? You just gotta send me a. This one was just one edition, but I got those one here. Yeah, I got those one here. Flex fit, really nice. Right here, you just gotta send me a private message, and yeah, I'll hook you up. I got a couple left. I also still got some t-shirt and hoodies also. Yeah. This one, this was only one because it's a test I was doing. Um, just noticed today that TV released a desktop app. Don't know how long it's been out for, but just install it. Work well fast. Just noticed today that TV released a desktop app for YouTube. You mean? Not sure what you mean. TV released desktop app. Huh? Not sure. Make sure you guys leave a like. Yeah, thank you, Rages. Yes, I need to send me mine. Did I was supposed to send you one? Shit, I completely forgot. I know I received 19 packages that came back straight to my house. I was like, what the hell happened? So I gotta find out what happened at the border, but 19 packages came back straight to my house. I was like, screw me. So, anyways, hat. Oh, okay. What's going on with the camera? There we go. Damn. All right. Hello from Scuba Trader. Hey, what's up? What's up? Sasha has Chinese food on his mind. Hell yeah, man. Yeah, I have no idea. What's the difference between the app and just using the browser mic? That's a good question. That is a good question. All right, so now let's jump into the trade. Let's jump into this trade here. Brum, 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 brum. This is all right. Let's start with GJ. All right, GJ was a quick in and out. Oh my gosh, this was today. Sorry about that. So this was today, right? So looking at today, when we came on the chart, and if you look on a high time frame, right, monthly was actually rejecting really hard this area and was coming straight down. Looking at the weekly, it was literally like this basically when we came to the chart. It was like, no, actually it was a little bigger, but it was retracing really hard. And at one point it started to push back up. So it was really confusing, to be honest, on GJ's. Like, what the hell are we doing? But the fact that we had this also, let me do this here. We had this on the daily time frame. We had price coming down here. We had the support form. This candle closed bullish, and this one right away closed. So we kind of failed on creating a new high. So this is where I said to my people, I was like, all right, so there's a good chance that we might go bearish. I mean, because we failed on creating a new high, but we need to break the support. If we still hold the support and we reject, we might have a chance for buys. So now let's go take a look on the lower time frame. How can we see that? All right. So when I was looking at this, right here. All right. So when I was looking at this, I was like, all right. So we got this double bottom here on 4 hours, right? So this happened yesterday, right? And actually, we broke the neckline here and we continue up. Okay. So now, if you look at the day of today on H1, when we came to the chart, it was this candle. All right, this candle was bullish. It was it was like kind of which one? This one is 9 a.m. Okay, so this one was not closed yet, but it was going up. It actually went all the way up here. All the way up here and reject all the way down. But it was still bullish, and we didn't broke previous low here. So I was like, it's very like confusing here, but we definitely have a chance of buys if we do break above this area, which was the 750 QP, 156.70 QP. So you see, this was our consolidation zone. So I was looking basically for sells under this area and for buys above this area. And what happened right here is we had a break, retest, and go. But this candle was way too big for me to take it at this stage. So I was like, all right, so screw this. We missed it. This was 7 a.m. and nothing to do here. And thank God, because the next candle just flipped back in the range. And I was like, okay. And suddenly, price came here right in the golden zone. So we established our zone from here to here, from the beginning of the push to the end of the push. We have our golden zone right here. So price came down, reject the safety net right here, which is the 764, and close back, above the range right in the golden zone. So I was like, all right, so let's take an entry right here at the opening of the candle, but I was doing something else. So I had a little late entry right here. I was a couple pip higher than what I wanted to. I had two position that I snapped back to back. I got one that was right here, and one that was like maybe a pip or two lower, because then when it retraced, I actually hit double trade on Magic Key, and I entered my second trade, my second position. I was actually aiming for the TP1 on the fib level, which was the 236, and I exited fully. I closed full with Magic Key. I didn't place. This is something I'm going to talk about right after this. There's a specific subject I want to talk about. It's not a subject, just like something I did different this week and ending up very, 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 very profitable for me. Okay, so anyway, so I snapped and I closed like 12, 13 pips profit, and I was like, all right, I closed in full, and I was good because this was my second trade. My first trade was gold, and I did some pretty good profit. So I was not very patient with that one because I was just I was just fucking around, to be honest. And I got some profits. I decided to close full and enjoy the weekend. So that's it. And thank God I did that because, and Mike has to be proud of me because Mike has been pushing me to close my position for a little while. It's like, man, don't wait, close, close, close. So now, thank you, Mike. I did close, and look what happened right after that. Price just melt. I would have been stopped out before getting TP. So I'm super, super, super happy that mentally I'm now able to close my position by myself without waiting to hit my partial TP or my full TP. So this is a big step for me. All right. So this is trade number one. Do we have any question? This was trade number two today, but number one that we broke down. So let's see if we have any question here. Eric, cheers, guys. What's the difference? Okay. No lag, faster response time with trading view. Said the word again because YouTube missed both our message. Oh, jumps over quicker when on M1 chart. Okay. Huh, interesting. Sash, not sure if you noticed, but the video are. Yeah, I actually noticed that, and I went into setting, and suddenly it was the 1080p was accessible with the upgrade plan I took, and now they move the 1080p to the next level. I was like, okay, you guys are fucking around with me. It's like this is not cool, you know. So I'm not sure I want to pay like $60 per month just for having 1080p. So I might look for another stream application, but until then, it's gonna be 720. Sorry, guys. I mean, I'm already like I hate paying stuff for nothing, you know, just like it just pissed me off. So, um, but yeah, I'm already paying like $20 a month for this platform. So I'm like, why no? So, anyways, all right. So let's talk about the gold trade from today. Bam. All right, perfect. So let's talk about that. And again, this was another very good example of getting out at the right time. I was really, really happy with that also. So now if you look at the daily, daily, okay. So when we came on the chart, I was looking at this and price was, which, oh, 28, 29. All right. So price was coming down right here to this daily support. So I was very cautious. I actually placed that line here to remember myself. This is a daily support. And if you look at 4 hour, we failed on creating a new high here. So I was like, all right, so there's a pretty good chance we're just going to continue down at this stage. And I was looking to grab a sell actually right here. I was talking to my students and I was like, man, I want to take a sell here on the break of the low, but we are straight at daily support. I don't think it's going to be a good idea. It might just wick up very quick and push back up. And this is where I really I don't regret, but it's just like shit. I just gotta trust my gut, you know. Sometimes it's just like, and yeah, because I mean, look at this thing. It just melt. I was like, oh my god. And after that, we got news. So price pushed back again. And after news, what happened? Most of the time, there's correction, right? So what happened around here? I took a first trade here based on 5 minutes. I don't do those often, but on gold, I do those. I was expecting actually price when price actually start to push back up. I was like, all right, this is it. This is where we're gonna get this correction, especially after like this huge rejection right here. I took the entry right here at the break of the high on the 5 minute, and I took three position. I took full risk on this trade. Where is it? And I did close right around here because it was like 20 pips on each position. So this was pretty good. So I decided to close in full, and that's it. So once again, I did close by myself because I saw the profits. Like, all right, let's secure the bag, and hey, thank God I did. Thank God I did. So yeah, and I did a third trade today, a very quick in and out. It was like 14 pips. Yeah, I think it was 14 pips. It was on the break of the H4 low. So right here, where was it? Right here on the break of the H4 low right here. This is where I took the entry, placed a fixed 15 pips stop loss. And as soon as it hit like 15 pips, I closed it. And I think by the time I closed it, I think it was like 13 or 14. I can't remember exactly. And that was only one position. It's just to test it. And they worked out pretty well. So again, closed by myself when I saw the profit that I was comfortable with. Close in full. Thank God again, because price retraced back. So I was like, woo, sweet. So this is something really different I've been doing this week. It's been very profitable for me. So now let's talk about the trade from yesterday. Yesterday was a massive trade. Massive, massive, massive. And this is going to be the last trade we're going to talk about. Hey, cheers, guys. All right. Oh, let's see some comments here first. Um, we'll be on Meta soon. Oh yeah, goddamn Meta. Yeah. Any movie suggestion for me tonight? I'm not a big movie watcher. I watch a lot of series though. I watch a lot of TV shows. Um, the one I watched recently, and I'm still watching, and we're at the end of season 5. It's a Blind Spot. Pretty good. Pretty good. Sasha, 720p people can watch your stream on their phone. Oh, that's awesome. Awesome. Okay, thank you. All right, so now let's talk about this trade because this trade was massive. This trade was my biggest trade so far, and I'm pretty excited about it. And it was nothing fancy, nothing fancy. It was just basic, basic, basic stuff, So sometimes, you got to go back to basic, and that's it. So basically, price. This is the H1 time frame on gold. Hey guys, don't forget to smash the like button as you come in, please. Um, that will be very appreciated. All right. So again, oops. I was actually expecting price to push up and create a new high because I mean we were in an uptrend, right, on gold. So I was like really expecting price to continue up, create a higher high and continue up. But unfortunately, it rejected this resistance and shoot down right after. So now we broke the H4 structure and we're going to be looking probably at short next week. But hey, let's go take a look on the H1 time frame. What happened? So what happened is I actually decided to place my fib level from here to here, and this was our golden zone. So we got support form right in the golden zone, all right here in the golden zone. We got a nice, beautiful candle. We rejected the safety net. So for me, it was enough confirmation to take entry right at the opening of the candle. I took was 2 full position, and this was yeah. I took it right at the opening of the candle, and A ran to 60-ish pips. This is where, oh yeah, this is the target I was aiming actually. The target I was aiming was right here, which the TP3 on the fib level. So that was my target. So this is where I closed most of my trade. I closed 90% by then. When I saw price start to retrace around this area, I closed my run. I said, all right, fuck it. So I closed everything. But what happened after that is like, man, I'm sure it still have juice to continue up, and we need to complete this fib play to go reach TP4. And look at this, man. This is to the T, to the fucking T. Um, so what happened is we finally have price going up, coming back down to retest the golden zone, closing nice bullish engulfing candle. And this was like 9 a.m. So we know that NYSC is going to have volume. So I was like, all right. So we got the volume enough to break this shit. And I'm going to target this TP4 on the fib. So I actually took the entry right here, the opening of the candle, use a 15 pip stop loss, and bam, exited in full. Pow! Right away, as soon as I touched that line, I exited in full. Bam! And this one was like 20. How many pips was this one? This one was, hold on, wait a second. Can't remember. Right here. Yeah, 28-ish pips because I closed just before. So yeah, closed before in full, and I was like, all right, I'm done. So, but again, simple stuff, right? Nothing funky. No magic way, no like going to the 1 minute time frame and analyzing the 30 seconds time frame and nothing fancy, nothing fancy. Hopefully that makes sense. Um, let's see. All right, so all right, guys. So let's see. Do we have any question here? That hill, yeah, was directed towards the multiple trade close manually, not meta. Yeah, there you go. Okay. um, do you think you'll eventually transfer over to gold or always trade GJ? GJ is still my main pair, right? But gold is something funky and crazy, but I'm starting to have a little bit of fun with it. So we'll see. Um, let's see. Perfect trade. Oh yeah, you were there. Yeah, that was we traded with the Pipcraft gang this week. That was great, man. That was great. Good man, busy lately and missing FTOB. Also starting my session at 8 a.m. and 10:30. So missing a lot of our group session now though. Oh, 5 a.m. to 5 a.m. to 8 a.m. Yeah. Does the fib work just as good on gold as it does on GJ? Yes. But on gold, there's something, the 382 level. Gold really love to reject that 382 level. So you got to watch out for that too. Um, but yeah, so let's see. All right, so next week, I don't know yet for sure, but I might review my Forex founds. It's not confirmed yet 100%. It depends on if I'm going to be able to concentrate on that because I might have some project business-wise. So we'll see. And it all depends also if I'm only going to test it, probably going to only take the 25K challenge or something like that just to see if we can withdraw. If I need to take out most of my capital out of my trading platform to invest into a business right now because I have a really good business proposal. So I might take the 200K account and trade that for a little while until these investor pay me back. Not investor, but the people that I'm going to be investing in, they pay me back. So we'll see. There's a lot of things going on right now, so we'll see. We're gonna take the weekend to think about it, and I'm gonna tell you on Monday. Do we have any last question before we close this session? Again, cheers, guys. What a crazy, crazy, crazy week. Well, actually, today, let me show you something. Today, actually, today, I think, is that on gold? Oh, yeah, I told you about that trade. Yeah, okay, perfect. No 1 minute time frame. Mess like capital hungry. Oh, I don't know. I just say nothing to say, man. I'm a nobody. Cheers. Uh, um, they have 20K challenge. Oh, here you go. Perfect. Same thing. Do you have a 10K account? Oh, here we go. Same thing again. I don't really care. It's just to test it, right? But if I'm to take out my capitals, probably gonna go with the 200K though. So we'll see. Enjoy your Chinese, man. Have a great weekend. Thank you so much, Mike. Thank you. This month was a good month. It was definitely a very, very good month. This week was amazing. So, yeah, again, guys, thank you so much for being here. Don't forget to smash the like button, share that video. I think it's a little underrated. But hey, thank you so much. Enjoy the weekend, guys. Have fun. Don't do anything stupid, please. And I'll see you Tuesday morning for another live session. Take care, guys.